everybody, Heather Springer with you here today, and I just wanted to take a few moments and discuss the major changes that I've seen in my business in just the last 30 days due to this training. The first major shift that I have seen is in my engagement. I went from seeing single digits to triple digits in a matter of weeks. Now there's a reason for that. The reason is I dove into the training and I showed up. Something else that's improved in the last 30 days is also my branding. Why? Because I followed the training and I showed up. I've never seen this before. Most companies, when you start with them, they want you to brand them. Here, we're taught to brand ourselves. That in itself is extremely powerful. I hope whoever's watching this really understands that. Most companies want you to brand them. Here, we're taught to brand ourselves and grow. So my engagement's gone up. My branding is just becoming more on point. And one of the most mind-blowing features of this program is that I'm getting paid to show up and complete my income-producing activities. Any business has income-producing activities. We all have to complete them to start generating income. We all know that sometimes income-producing activities can take a little bit of time to generate momentum to really get us to the financial gains that we need. But here, if you show up, you get paid for doing what you should be doing. You get paid for growing, and you get paid for being a team player. So if you're looking for something different, this is the place for you. If you're looking for better engagement, if you're looking to grow your brand, and you're looking to make money online, this is the place for you. I hope you've all enjoyed my testimony. I hope one day you guys can be giving your own just like this. And I'll see you all on the flip side.
Hi everyone, Maria Powers over here. I just want to give my testimony about SSM, Successful Solution Method. All I can say is this program has been a blessing to me and my family as well. Now I get to spend more time with them. The education that she provides in this system is just the best. It's amazing. This is going to help you to bring yourself the proper way to become successful online. I mean, you can go wrong. I mean, this is just amazing. The community or like-minded people, the support, they're always there to help you to succeed. If you are the one who's looking to work from home or work from anywhere in the world, this is the right place to be. And I'm living proof. I just love what I'm doing right now. Like I said, it has been a blessing to me, and I just want to say thank you, Amanda Ray, for putting this program. It was such a blessing to me, and I'm pretty sure to people all over the world. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Hey, Teresa Lockett here from Fredericksburg, Virginia. I wanted to come on today and give my testimony of Successful Solution Method and just let you know how it has greatly helped me in so many ways. So I've been in the online business space for quite a few years. I've lost quite a bit of money. I always wondered why I wasn't getting engagement, why nobody was buying from me, why nobody was liking my posts or commenting on them. So I actually, over the last year or so, I kind of gave up. Once I was introduced to Successful Solution Method and I watched one of the webinars, I was hooked. So Successful Solution Method has been my avenue to really understand the way that Facebook works, the way that marketing works, how to brand myself. And I went from 5 to 10 likes and loves and comments on my post to now at this point at least over 200. So it has been an amazing experience. I'm excited of where this journey is going to take me. And thank you to Successful Solution Method for teaching me the right way to do it and for making me a success online. Thanks, everybody.